welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mishell. Today I will show you how to achieve this beautiful classic red nail manicure at home. So sit back and relax. First, you want to make sure that your hands are nice and clean. Then you will apply cuticle oil to all your nails. This is the one I'm using. Just relax, maybe put some nice music on and just get started. Once I'm done applying the cuticle oil, I take this tool and then I push my cuticle a little bit. You don't have to do this, it's not mandatory, but I personally prefer to do it. I do not cut my cuticles though. It is optional, so you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Once I'm done, I massage the excess of oil onto the rest of the nails. Now it's time to file your nails. I do this with every nail. Remember that to prevent chipped nails, it is better for you to file your nails only in one direction. I don't always do this, but I think it's important to mention it. Once that's done, we are going to apply our base. I'll try to find a link for all the products I have used in this video, so check the description down below. You can use your preferred base nail polish and apply it to every single nail. Once your base is dry, you can now move on to the color, whatever color you decide. Today I'll be using Le Vernis by Chanel in the shade 510 or Gitane. You repeat the same process. You add the color to each nail, let it dry. I personally like to add 2 coats. So once I put my second coat and that's dry, then I move on to the next step. Make sure you always have a brush and a nail polish remover handy, because since you're putting color, it can go everywhere. You can make mistakes and you always want to correct the mistakes right away. can also use a cotton bud if you're more comfortable with that. Once the second coat is dry, I will move on to the next step. I personally like to use this Après top gel coat. It is supposed to be scratch resistant, so I quite like to use that. I put it on every nail and then I use a UV light to cure it. This is the UV light that I use. It's by Kiara Sky, but you can use whatever UV light you prefer. Some people like to use the machines where they put the whole hand in it. I have to admit that's probably faster. Mine, I have to do it nail by nail. Once that's done, you can now move on to the next step and apply your moisturizer. And there you go, you have fresh nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!